How to access iCloud Photos on any device. First, check the iCloud Photos is turned on. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, your Apple ID, iCloud, Photos, and toggle on iCloud Photos. This uploads all your pictures and videos to the cloud automatically. If you are using a Mac, open the Photos app and sign in with your Apple ID. You'll see your entire iCloud photo library sync in real time. On another iPad or iPhone, sign in with your Apple ID, go to the Photos app, and you're good to go. On Windows, download and install iCloud for Windows from Apple website. Sign in with your Apple ID and enable Photos in the app. iCloud creates a folder on your PC where you sync photos will appear automatically. With iCloud, your photos stay synced and back up across all your devices. Delete a photo on one, it's removed from all. And a new one, it appears everywhere. And that's it.